Hello, everyone. Do you often feel guilty that you're not spending enough time with your children? Do you feel that the connection between you and your child is weakening? Or do you feel that your children are not sharing with you as they used to do earlier? So, if your answer to this one or any of the above questions is a yes, then this video is for you and you should watch it till the end. I'm Dr. Mona Gujral, and I'm your friend and guide in helping you raise your children to become successful and healthy adults. So, before we move on further, I would like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss any such content that I keep on posting from time to time. So in today's video, we are going to talk about, the points which I said that many a times parents do want to spend time with their children, but because of all these everyday rituals, everyday commitments that the parents have, बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है that they spend that quality time with their children every day. So, quality time is very important, and you should make it a point that jitna ho sake, you should be able to spend time with them. But in case you have some important assignment, and for next 2 days you will not be able to spend that kind of a time with them. So then I will be sharing a few pointers with you, which you can keep in mind and probably compensate the loss of the quality time with these a few points. So first point is like when you know that you are going to have a very hectic day the next day, so make it a point that get up 5 minutes early, because early morning is one time when the children need a lot of love and care by the parent. So if the children get a love and care, good love and care at that early in the morning, so that can be at least 5 minutes. So that actually compensates quite a lot for any time which is lost. So what you can do is like get up 5 minutes early and just instead of waking the children, like just get up, you're getting late for school, jaldi se uth jao. So you can just aram se you can go to the child, uh, uh, get them out of the bed very nicely, very easily get them out of the bed. Do not shout at them. Wake them up with with a hug, and just like that, just hug your child. And early in the morning when you give the child a hug, so there are a lot of soothing hormones which are flowing in the child's body, so the child feels that love and connection with the parent. So that is the early morning ritual, so which you should actually do. Plan your day ahead so that you are getting up 5 minutes early. You don't have that kind of rush in the morning where you are just telling the child to get up, out of pulling the child out of the bed. The second point is make it a point to have a dinner, because probably the daytime everybody will be out. So to have dinner together. So everyone in the family should be seated at the dining table and they should be having dinner together. And at the dinner table, it's a very good idea to share about each other's day, what you did, how was your day, any challenges you faced, how you came out of the day, anything funny which happened. And ask the children first. You start sharing about your day, and then ask the child about his day. Because many a times we just concentrate on the child. You tell me what happened in your day, but we never tell the child what happened in our day. So just, it's a very good idea that start sharing yourself first, and then the children will follow. So ask them about how their day was, what happened. So that's a nice bonding time for the family also, the whole family. So this is the second point where you can take in, uh, make that moment, make that connection. So the third point will be the bedtime. So just telling the children that just go to bed early. You have to get up early in the morning, and I have some assignment to finish. Do not disturb me. Instead of, just take out 5 or 10 minutes from your schedule and go and sit with the child after they are done with their bedtime routine. Just go and sit with the children, and probably if your children are very small, around 10 years of age, then you can tell them about any story, any bedtime story, something which has a good moral. So tell them about any moral, any of the values, the value of integrity, the value of being punctual, the value of saying the truth. So different stories, we have different stories, you know, the all those panchtantra stories and all that we used to have. So they have this kind of moral, so just tell the children that kind of a story. Or if your children are you know, above that age, teenagers, then you can use any of the motivating stories from any of the world leaders. Mahatma Gandhi is there, Nelson Mandela is there, then you have Abraham Lincoln, you have Barack Obama, so many Narendra Modi, so many people are there. So just tell them some motivational stories of people, how they faced some odds and they came out of it successfully. So what happens is, the last thoughts when the children are about to sleep, so whatever last thoughts they think about, so that keeps on playing in their subconscious mind. So when they get up the next day in the morning, so they have the same thoughts playing, and their day will be based on the same thought process. So it is a very good idea to inculcate, you know, all these value based stories, all these messages, motivational messages in the child. If your child is feeling very underconfident or very you know, sad about something, inconfident about something, it's a better idea to tell your child stories about confident people, how people gained confidence in a certain situation. So then the same thing will keep on playing in their subconscious mind, and in the morning when they get up, the subconscious mind will have that kind of a feeling that yes, I can feel confident. So try it out sometime with your child. So this is the third point where you can actually form a connection. Third step in the day where you can actually form a connection with your children. So these are the 3 points that I've shared, that which can compensate if you are not able to spend some quality time with your child in general. So I hope you liked my video. Please do like and comment, and do share my video if you liked what was shared in this. So see you next time. Happy parenting.